Hi and welcome back. So winter is around the corner and your heated seats are not working. First thing that I would recommend to check are the fuses. In this video I'm gonna show you the location of fuses for the front and rear heated seats on 2018 Dodge Grand Caravan. This is gonna apply to Dodge Grand Caravans made from 2011 and all the way up to 2020. To get to those fuses, we will have to locate a fuse box, and we're gonna do that by opening the hood. So you wanna pop this plastic piece to open the hood. Now, I'm gonna open the hood. All right. Now if you look on your driver's side next to the battery, you have your main fuse box. To open this fuse box, you'll have to push on these two clips at the same time and lift it up. And now the fuse box is open. First I'm gonna show you the fuse that is responsible for the front heated seats. And if you check this diagram here on the back of the fuse box cover, that's gonna be fuse that's marked as M8. So it's located right here. You see M8. I'm gonna zoom that a little bit for you. So yeah, this one, M8. And if you check actual fuse box, this is that fuse. So yellow fuse with 20 amps. So if you want to check it out, you want to grab this plastic fuse grabber and you want to pull it out and check it out. See, in my case this fuse is good, but if your fuse is burnt or even dirty, that might be the reason that your front seats are not heating up. And now if your vehicle is equipped with the rear heated seats, this is gonna be fuse marked with M9. So as you can see, that will be this fuse M9, and in the actual fuse box I can see a bigger picture. So that's gonna be this fuse, also yellow fuse, 20 amps. If both of those fuses are fine and your heated seats are still not working, you probably have some other problems with that, and most likely your problem is in actual heating pad in the seat cushion. If you wanna check how to fix that problem, check my other video on how to fix heated seats in Dodge Grand Caravan. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you, bye.